Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dima Otutu, and on this channel I talk about finance related videos such as crypto, stocks, personal investments, savings, and everything money related. If this sounds very interesting to you, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Remember guys, before I proceed, I'm not a financial advisor, so do not take whatever I say or even whatever you find on YouTube as a financial advice. If you want to make any financial investments, always make sure to do your personal research before you conclude or make any investments. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about hackers and how a lot of people lose their money on trust wallets without even knowing. Even me, I didn't know about this until recently when a friend, shared a video with me, and I was amazed. And I'm going to be showing you something, guys. So if you use trust wallets, make sure to watch this video to the end, because there's something I'm going to show you that would actually reduce the risk of you losing all your money on trust wallet. Or if you've experienced, maybe you woke up one morning and you checked your trust wallet app and all your coins, sorry about that, you check your trust wallet app and all your coins are gone and you do not know how that happened. I'm going to be sharing this video with you. It may be one of the reasons why your coins were stolen, and I also want to tell you guys to be really careful when you're using trust wallet app or whatever wallet at all. Please make sure you don't give out your seed phrase to anybody. Always make sure you do not give out your seed phrase. If anybody online tells you to send your seed phrase, especially for people who are new to crypto, please do not share your seed phrase with them, because once they have access to your seed phrase, they are going to be able to access your account, can take away all your coins, and you'll be left with nothing. I'm going to go through my phone to show you what I recently found out, how people actually take people's money on trust wallets. I'm going to be showing you a website called the beefy.finance. So what this website does, they have a feature on their platform where they can actually revoke all the permissions you've given to some websites without knowing. These websites would have permission to your wallet. They can spend all your money. So if you look here, you can see that this tool is used to revoke all permissions from the apps that your wallet has previously interacted with. Leaving these spend permissions enabled could allow dishonest team or individuals to transfer all your approved tokens at any time without asking for that permission from you. So what it means is that sometimes when especially people who do airdrops or most of these coins we buy on the apps, right? When we buy those coins from them or get airdrops from them, we actually give them permission to be able to spend all our tokens without even knowing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through my trust wallet, right? Yeah, so when you open your trust wallet and you go to the apps, all you just need to do for me is to type in allowance.beefy.finance on the apps. When you search for it, guys, you're going to be seeing this. When I saw it, I was so scared. You can see that there are a lot of people that have given access to be able to take or spend my tokens without me giving them permission. Find and revoke all addresses that can spend your tokens. So you can see here, so if you use Trust Wallet, just type in this. I'm going to leave it on the screen and also leave it in the description box. Make sure to check it out. allowance.beefy.finance. You would see that there are a lot of addresses that you've given access to your wallet and they can spend your money without requesting for permission. That's why you can wake up one morning and all your coins are gone. So this is it, guys. So what you can do is once you go through this guy and it opens and you see all of this, for smart chains, you would see each of them, and if you see allowance, you see that they have unlimited allowance. So if you have trust wallet, please make sure to do this. So once you see it, you're going to revoke all of them. So you can either click on revoke all or revoke 10. Most times when you click on revoke all, I think the maximum they do is 10. So when you click on revoke all, you can still see that some will be left if there are more than 10 addresses. So either you revoke them one by one or you revoke 10 by 10 and then it goes. So they're just going to charge. You can see I clicked on revoke all and they're going to charge you very small amount of money. So always make sure, guys, please, please, please. So once you do it and then you revoke it, you can see here that I was waiting to get my notification from Trust Wallet to be sure that the transaction was successful, and I know the notification came in and the transaction was successful, and then I had to refresh again. So when I refreshed, I realized that it only took out 10 addresses and I still had like 4 remaining. That's why I said you can revoke all if it's less than 10, or you do it 10 by 10. So I went again and tried to revoke, but this one I did it one by one to just be sure that everything was revoked. So this is one of the ways people actually take money from your wallet without you knowing. Please, guys, I know I always beg you to share videos, but if you know this will be beneficial to anyone you know, please share this video with them so that they can also, find out about this and revoke all the assets so that people can stop losing money. Please, guys, don't take this lightly, take it very seriously. So when you finish for your smart chain network, go to your Ethereum network. If you've made transactions on Ethereum network, the only thing is just that Ethereum network charges are really expensive, but I think that if you have a lot of money on Ethereum network, it will be worth spending that $20 or $30 for your account to be safe. So you can see I kept on refreshing to be sure that I revoked all the assets. So make sure. So when I checked my friend's phone yesterday, I went through their Ethereum network. So this is me trying to go through each of these networks. So my friend's phone yesterday, I went through their Ethereum network and I saw lots of addresses that had access to their tokens. So you can see here I was refreshing to be sure, and I because I've not done anything on the Ethereum network, I didn't have any addresses that had access or authorization to spend my tokens. So guys, let's be careful out there. Tell people, let the people tell people, and let them tell people so that people can stop losing their money on these apps. And then another thing I would also want to show you is, so it's not just this beefy.finance. Another thing I would want you to know is your security. So when you come on Trust Wallet and then you go to your security, always make sure that you have transaction signing. Ask for authentication, turn it on, so that even if someone tries to take your phone to access your money, they will have to ask for either password or face ID before the person can be able to access your wallet. And always make sure to use your app lock for either, maybe if you use iPhone or whatever phone, if it's face ID or fingerprint or password, to reduce, just for security reasons, to reduce access to people having, money is a very serious case. And then I also made a video here where I talked about how you can create multiple wallets. So if you're someone that always collects airdrop, please try to use a different wallet for your airdrop, a different wallet for maybe your shitcoins, and a different wallet for your main account, so that when someone tries to hack your account, the person at least won't have access to everything at once. So let's be very careful. Let's be very, very careful. Know who you give your phone to. And yeah, guys, I think that's it for this video. Because I saw it, I felt the need to share with you guys so that you guys can be aware of this. And then if you also have any other way people can protect their money on these wallets and exchanges, please drop it in the comment section as well, and I will pin it to make sure that other people see it. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to support me by subscribing to this channel, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.